Well, hello, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. Eicher here, Math 3 teacher, along with Mr. Brack and Mrs. Phelps. Wanted to show you Khan Academy Course Mastery. Make sure you know what you're doing there for Monday assignments. Again, Khan Academy stuff is reserved only for Mondays. So on this here screen, I'm logged in to my account. You can go up here under Learner Home. And if you click on that, that'll get back to the page I was just on right here. And the most important tab for you is this Course Mastery tab on the left. Again, that was Course Mastery. And I have a lot more courses than you probably have in yours, but you're going to want to click Get Ready for Algebra 1. And I can see currently I'm at 28% course mastery. Yeah. So you'll have different goals that we'll share with you. But let's say your goal is to get to 30% course mastery, and currently I'm at 28%. We click on this, Get Ready for Algebra 1. The first thing, we have this mastery challenge. That's the best, fastest way to try to increase your mastery percentage. Now, obviously, you have to get them right. It's not just click it and hope for the best. But this mastery challenge is based on stuff that you've just answered, skills that you've just learned. And if you can show that you are good at those, that you've mastered those, then you'll be able to increase your percentage. So these are offered occasionally after you have finished like 3 skills. You'll be offered this mastery challenge, so you can click that Get Started. But let's say you don't have that at the top there. Let's say, it just looks like that. So I would just pick one of these. I'd probably just go in order. I'd click Get Ready for Equations and Inequalities. You can watch the videos if you'd like. That would probably be helpful. But right here it says Start, so I'm going to click that Start and see if I can increase my mastery percentage. That's going to take me to identify equations, expressions, and inequalities. I have 4 questions, and then I'd answer those. Now, after you do that, as you work through this, it's kind of work at your own pace. As you work through that, you'll notice it says familiar, or like try again. You might be, wait, when did I ever do that? That's because the course challenge kind of got you some mastery points. And actually up here it looks like it's actually registering at 32%. That 32% is just for this unit that we're in, not the whole course. So these ones that say try again, those were things that were on the course challenge that maybe I missed. Whereas this one, practice, I haven't done anything with inequality from a graph. So you can work through those, click on practice. There's several different skills, but all these skills are just in that one unit. If you really want to see how good you are, you could just try to jump to the start unit test and see, especially maybe in this early unit solving equations and stuff, maybe you're really good at that. So you could just try, hey, let me just try the unit test and see what I can do. So that might be a good idea to try to reach more mastery. Again, the whole goal of using Khan Academy is to make sure that your foundation is strong, because we're going to be building a house of algebra this year in Math 3. And if you don't have a good foundation in Math 1 and Math 2 stuff or Algebra 1 stuff, then it's going to be a struggle, and we don't want you to struggle because of things that you forgot over the summer or things you didn't understand last year. So again, that's the point and the reason why we're having these as Monday assignments on Khan Academy. And personally, I like the confetti. I like knowing like, oh, I got that wrong. And it's just really good for your brain to realize like instantaneously, oh, I got that wrong. I need to fix that. So please reach out to your teachers. If you have any questions from Khan Academy, any of these Get Ready for Algebra 1 questions, please reach out. It is really helpful though if you get a screenshot and then include that in your Schoology message or your email so we can help you more quickly and more directly. Thanks for watching this video, and good luck on Khan Academy.